thing over again. So we're going to go over now the planes and the intersections. So I'm going to create this plane right here. That's going to be, we'll say, the back 20 degree. I'll take 4 points from there. We'll make them CMM movements because they wanted them to be more rigid. So it was requested to make them CMM movements. And we're going to do a tight grouping to compensate for any chamfer or reliefs. Because you can see there's a large relief right here, and there's another relief right here. So I'm trying to keep the grouping pretty tight. From there, we're going to measure the angle with respect to, which is this one right here, angle with respect to, and create a new tolerance. Let's call that 20 degree. It's actually going to be a different angle. So the angle on the drawing is 20 degrees, but the way that it's going to measure it, it's going to be a larger angle, so it's the complementary. So it's going to be 69 and 55 minutes, plus or minus 5 minutes. You do minutes by using a colon, and I did that in my settings. It's shown in a previous video for the settings for the millimeters or inches. It's going to be relative to the seating surface. Okay, and apply. And it's about 23 minutes out. Now I'm going to go up to do the next surface. This one I'll call back 60 degree. And this one's going to be another angle with respect to. I'm going to create another tolerance, new, just by double clicking in the box here. We'll call this one 60 degree. This one is going to be a 60 degree and 15 minutes, plus or minus 15 minutes. Also, respect to the seating surface, and another tight grouping of points that are going to be done with the CMM movement. Alright, that one's good. And now there's an intersection between these two planes that I'm going to measure the distance of. So I'm going to construct a line, because the intersection of two planes is a line. So the intersection here, plane is going to be first, I'll do my back 20 degree, and then my back 60 degree. And I want to use the actual feature for both of them, so change that one. And I'm going to name this. This one is going to be a 3.03 height, so I'll call it back 3.03. Tolerance 3.03. And it's going to be new tolerance, plus or minus 30 microns. All on the z-axis. So, okay, created my line, did my measurement, showing it's a little bit out. It could be because I only did one alignment, so it's still kind of a rough alignment. But the way you create the features is going to be the exact same. So now I'll move out and go around to the other side. We'll go negative 25. 25, Z 25, 90, 90, 180. Up. Now I'm going to move up a little bit more to make sure that this is going to be above the part for when it rotates to go around to the other side. So I'll keep everything else the same. And then just raise this up. Let's say 70. And I'm going to move around to the other side. So I'm going to make that negative, this positive. It's pretty much a mirror image. Z, negative 90, 90, 180. And then drop back down. Now we're at the other side. It'll be the same thing. So, plane, that one. CMM movement, tight group of points, front 20 degree. This one I'll reuse the same 20 degree tolerance and apply. That one looked a little bit better. Now I'm going to also do a intersection for another width, so I'm going to create another line. I'm going to construct a line between my front 20 degree and the seating surface, the actual. So I'll be creating a line right here. And that's going to be for width. So I'll call that width 1. And then I'm going to construct another line using the back 20 degree angle, and that's going to be width 2. Using the actual. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be getting a width I'm going to be getting a width between the intersection of the plane right here and then the same one on the opposite side. So it'll be from here to here. From these two, between these two lines. So output, distance between, and width 1 and width 2. I'm going to create a new tolerance for that, and I'm just going to call that one width. That one should be 6.23 or 6.3 plus or minus 30 microns, and then we'll do point to point. Okay, okay, and there's my width between those two lines, and that is good. The rest of the program would just be moving away from your part, getting your other 60 degree measurement here. Which I can do really quickly. plane. Here, CMM movement, tight grouping, because on the actual parts there's a chamfer here that's not on the model. Front 60 degree, reuse my 60 degree tolerance, apply. There's that, and then I'm going to have the height for the line there. So I'll construct my line from my front 60 and my front 20 degree angle using the actual features. Front 3.03. That's going to be bound. Actually, doesn't really matter for that one. I'm just going to reuse my tolerance, 3.03. Make sure that my nominal is set. So I have my tolerance there for my Z height from intersection to surface. Construction complete, and it's good. So now, just be moving away from the part and running the rest of them. Save often, and that's it.